So I was making a video. I don't know what happened. This technology stuff sometimes gets me down. So I just finished making another runner of strawberries. Now, of course, you can put in anything you want on these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it. I'm going to put this in the front of the yard. Ginger, can you grab that camera and that stand and follow me? Can you follow me? Huh? Come here. Can you follow me? Why don't you say hello to everybody? Say hello. Can you look right in the camera? Look in the camera. See right there? Smile. Yeah, smile. Say smile. Smile. Hey, it's your teeth. Hello, Whiskers. How you doing, buddy? Hey. That cat just don't get enough loving. If I held him 24 hours a day, it still wouldn't be enough. He just loves to be loved. He would get up, go potty, and come back and say, "Love me tender, love me sweet." Yeah. Okay, so I am going to pause you for a moment. Please subscribe, in case I lose you. Okay, so you can kind of get an idea here of what's happening on this particular project. So the one I just now did. Oh, hi, Ginger. There's my baby girl right there. Hi, sweetie. Yeah. Oh, there's your kitty cat coming saying, "Hey, don't forget about the loving on me. I like loving too, huh, Whiskers?" See, yeah, Daddy, you know you pet that dog all the time, but you forget to pet me all the time, don't you? Huh? He's following me all over he follows me all over the place. So there's the one I just now finished. Gave it some water. These are burgundy raspberries right there. Burgundy. I made some wine out of them one time, and yeah, pretty bitter. And that is my rosemary plant. I get plenty of rosemary. I get lots of rosemary. And so I only have like one, two, there's a little one there, three, four. I only have 4 left to do. Oh, well, ain't that special. So I've done all these. I got one big one in the backyard. It's so heavy I can't get it up here. So you can see there's some strawberries that I don't know what to do with. I don't know. Put some dirt over on the other side. Let them kind of do their own thing there. I don't know. You see them all along there. Those are the ones I took out and thinned out so that these used to be all clustered. These here used to look like that. All clustered with strawberries. If I wanted to, I get bigger strawberries if I go one strawberry plant. So I'll just let them do their nature thing over there. And these are roses. Looks like they're getting ready to come on there. That's lavender. Got some green leaves coming out of there. And that's, oh, yeah, my fig tree. Yeah, the figs didn't make it through the winter. The trees did, but the figs that had figs on them, they came into season too late. There's another little fig tree right there. Anyway, got some flowers blooming. Oh, ain't that pretty? Look at there. There's no bee in there. Looks like there's been something in there, some droppings or something. Could have been one of my bees. That's where they're getting some of the food, is those bulbs that are around. Yeah, could be, huh? A hang of strawberries. So I just replaced the soil. Yeah, it looks like they all survived the winter. Look at there. Better water them. And there you go, right? It's like, I haven't noticed anything that's actually died yet. My beehive survived, which is amazing. It's like there's one guy, he had 30 beehives, and out of 30, I think it was, or 28 or something like that, he only had 3 hives that survived up to March. 3 of them. That's just crazy, man. Some lettuce. That's pretty spicy lettuce there. Survives the winter. So my chives are coming back. They were peaked for, I don't know, 3 months because of lack of photosynthesis. But they're doing better. I had a bunch of them for dinner last night with my dinner. And this is my radish leaf. Just regular old radishes. I let them go to leaf. And I use them. I put them in. I put them in all kinds of things: stir fries, soups. Radish leaf. They kind of taste like radish, and a little bit spicy, and really flavorful. Um, yeah, similar as far as nutrients goes to spinach. There's my kale. Lasted all winter long. I nibble on that most nights, and between all these things that I still got growing through the winter. Yeah, I don't really need much produce. I've got like 5 different kinds of produce growing back here, and I mix and match them. Those are called leeks. So I come out and I'll pick some leeks, mix it in with my main meals. Those are all leeks, and they haven't leaked yet. And these are elephant garlic. And when the elephants come out of those, I'll be running, of course. Who came up with elephant garlic, really? And oh my gosh, it looks like I got a mint has survived in my, somehow survived the soil or something, and gotten into my, oh my gosh, it got into my garden. Yeah. That stinks. They'll take over your garden. They just literally dominate your garden. They're just, yeah. That's so. I don't know what to do because that's my asparagus. The asparagus roots are massive. They're massive roots, and if I disturb their roots, I won't get as much asparagus. I'm gonna get plenty to, plant. Freeze during next winter. So yeah, warmer man. All right. Well, please subscribe. Hope you watched it this far. There at the end screen, there's some end screens at the end of this. It'll tell you some other things that I talk about, other topics that you might find interesting, entertaining, whatever. And I hope your life is going well. And good day. Bye now.